Garlic bread is the perfect treat for any occasion, and today we're going to make garlic bread packed with flavors, crunchy outside and so fluffy inside. Firstly, we need 345 grams of any vegan milk of your choice. The milk should be at the room temperature or warm it up. Next, add 6 grams of dry yeast, 7 grams of sugar, 9 grams of salt and whisk everything well until everything is melted. Now add gradually 442 grams of bread flour and mix everything well until you get wet and sticky dough. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil for the extra flavor and the silky texture. Now mix everything once again until the olive oil is completely absorbed into the dough. Cover the bowl with a towel and sprinkle water into the towel to add moisture. Meanwhile, let's start with the preparation of the garlic butter with a twist. Take 75 grams of vegan butter, 35 grams of olive oil, 30 grams of chopped parsley, 7 garlic cloves, 3 grams of oregano, 3 grams of black pepper, and a pinch of chili flakes. Put the pan on the medium heat and start to mix everything well. When the butter melts and you smell the amazing aroma of the garlic, put the garlic butter aside to cool. After the dough has risen, spread the flour on your working surface and transfer all the dough. Now start folding the dough and massage it with all your heart and repeat this process about 5 times. Roll the dough and divide it to 8 pieces. Each piece should be around 100 grams. Take a piece of the dough, smash it, fold it, and start shaping the dough by folding the edges inside the dough. Now roll the dough on the surface until you get nice and smooth bowl. And of course, repeat the entire process with the rest of the dough pieces. Now brush the baking dish from all sides with garlic butter and organize the dough balls nicely. Brush them generously from every angle possible with the garlic butter. Cover the dough balls, sprinkle water, and let it rest for 30 minutes or until the dough balls double their size. After the dough balls are raised, put them to the preheated oven to 200 degrees for 27 minutes, or when you see the top of the dough is brown and fry edges, then you can pull them out. Add another generous layer of garlic butter while the bread is hot. Wow, that smells so good and it looks absolutely amazing. It's impossible to compete with warm, fresh, homemade garlic bread. Serve the garlic bread with the cashew dip and its impressive, irresistible treat for your vegan guests.